Hello everyone, my name is Salwa Salsabil Maulidah. I'm a student at Bina Sarana Informatika University, majoring in Information System. I'm from class 19.1A.35 with identification number 1925090. This video is project to replace the midterm exam for the course English 1. There are two parts to this video, so please make sure to watch until the end. In the first part, I will share my opinion about the lecturer at my campus. This semester, I'm taking 6 courses with 6 different lecturers. Each lecturer has their own unique teaching style. Some are easier to understand, while the others can be a bit challenging. However, many of them guide their students very well, which help us follow the lesson more effectively. In the part 2, I choose option B, which is the usage of models in the classwork. What are modal verbs? Modal verbs, also known simply as modals, are auxiliary verbs used in English. A modal verb is a type of verb that express modality, which refers to ideas such as possibility, ability, request, capacity, suggestion, command, and obligation. In English, there are 11 types of modal auxiliaries, which include can, could, had better, may, might, must, ought to, shall, should, will, and would. And we will only focus on modals used for making requests. What is request? A request is a sentence we use to ask someone to do something for us, usually in a polite way. We use modals when making requests to show how polite we are and to express things like intention, willingness, or ability. This is the sentence structure, the specific formula of modals used in making requests. There are modal plus subject plus stop one plus object and please. Modal is auxiliary words like can, could, will, would, etc. And subject is the person or thing that does it. It can be they, we, I, you, or he, she, it. And verb one is the best form of verb. And object is additional information as needed in the sentence. First, we have can. Can is usually used in informal situations. For example, with friends or people you are already familiar with. For example, can I borrow your pen? Can you help me? So the sentence should be straight to the point. And then we have could. Could is a little more polite. We use it when we want to sound friendly but still polite. For example, would you pass the salt? Could I ask you a question? And then will. Will is neutral modal. It is used to ask someone to do something or offer help in casual or semi-formal situations. For example, will you help me with this task? Or will you I see you tomorrow? Would would be very polite and make the request sound more refined and respectful. For example, would you help me please? Would you stay with me a while? And then we have may. May is used for very formal requests, usually to ask for permission. For example, may I ask you a question? Or may we come early tomorrow? And this is the level of politeness when making requests. Actually, this is already arranged according to what I explained. And actually, there is one more word that can be used in request sentence, which is might. However, it is used for very polite requests and rarely used in daily conversation, so I didn't include it. And this is a negative request, asking someone not to do something. And the formula is model, subject, plus not, plus verb one, plus please. For example, could you not touch my bag, please? Or may I ask you not to park here? And these are the common mistakes that often occur when using model request sentence. Here, I've included examples of both the correct and incorrect forms. The first we have forget to the best verb used in impolite model, forget to add please, incorrect negative request structure, and confuse between will and would. The point is keep requests simple and polite. Just use short, clear sentence like could you help me please? Just like that. And then intonation and politeness. First is intonation. Intonation is the tone of your voice when speaking. In request, intonation can make a sentence sound more polite or assertive. Example, rising tone at the end is gonna sound polite or asking. For example, could you help me? And then flat or falling tone is sound firm and commanding. Could you help me? Could you help me? Could you help me? Gitu. And then politeness. Politeness is the level of politeness when asking for something. Example, could you help me please? It's polite and friendly. And this is the dialogue example. Rianda, excuse me, miss, may I ask you something? Yes, Rianda, what's the matter? May I borrow your dictionary? I need to look up a new word. Sure, here you are. Thank you, miss. I'll return it as soon as possible. No problem. Here, Rianda is Rianda uses the model may when speaking to Mrs. K. This is a correct example because Mrs. K is her teacher, and we should speak politely when talking to a teacher. And This is the summary of our lesson today. There are a few points, which are models are used to make polite requests and use the verb one after the model, at least to sound more polite, and intonation influence is the impression of request, and then choose a model according to the level of politeness or this and the situation. Thank you for watching. See you.